can't make up for lost sleep on the weekend. Our sleep expert, Dr. Joseph Ojile, has said that for years, but now along comes this study that claims making up for lost sleep on the weekend may have benefits when we consider your heart. Dr. Ojile is here from the Clayton Sleep Institute. Good morning to you. Thanks
Good
for
morning,
coming
John.
in.
Thank you for having me.
So you looked at this study. It's from the UK. 500,000 people, ages, 49 to 69?
Yes, they studied them over 14 years. Interesting study. And they had them wearing what we call accelerometers, things like your iPhone that measure movement.
Right.
And so they looked at people that were sleep deprived during the week, and they divided them into 4 groups. And the group the group 4, who got more sleep over the weekend, appeared over 14 years to have about a 20% reduction in heart-related problems.
All right, so they're not catching up on their sleep, but it appears that it may have benefits for the heart.
Exactly. And what they're doing is they're supplementing. These are people that are sleep deprived during the week. They didn't go into the reasons for that. We can speculate it was either lifestyle or shift working, things like that. And then on the weekend, they use that as a time to get some additive hours of sleep. Again, the reasons for this are not included in this large database at this point, and the full article hasn't been published. But it is intriguing data, John.
What does your gut tell you? Maybe they're reducing stress?
2 things. One, I think they're catching up because they probably have extreme jobs, or they're in a point of their life where they're extremely tied up, say child-rearing years. And where we may see this come in is we still need to encourage our patients and our friends and neighbors to get structured sleep and the right amount of sleep opportunity on a regular basis.
Let's touch on that. And this, folks, is what you need to do. And I'm going by memory here. A regular schedule.
Yes.
Go to bed at the same time. Try to get up at the same time. About 8 hours.
Yeah. 7.5, 8 hours is great.
More than that?
You can start having issues.
Right.
And too little. But some people just can't for whatever reason. And I think folks that are in your profession, the morning show people, are a great example of the difficulty getting enough sleep based on how early you have to get up. So some people have to supplement that extreme sleep deprivation, either by a nap during the day or on the weekends.
You say a nap. Nap helps?
A scheduled nap, if you are a shift worker, is something we frequently do counsel. Yes, it can help.
But that regular to bed and getting up at the same time, 8 hours, is the rule.
It's still the right way to go. Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll wait for this abstract to be printed in a medical journal and see if there's something to follow up on.
And John, thank you for bringing such a great topic.
Joseph Ojile, thanks for getting out of bed and coming into Fox 2 News in the morning. Here he is. We appreciate it.
Thank you, John.